guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a get ready with us, and we are actually going to Curl Fest right now, and I'm so excited. I will be vlogging, or we will be vlogging the whole thing. We actually made a channel called Chloe and Tyra, so I will link the channel in the description, and I will put the vlog that we're going to upload there as well. So yes, and this video is also in collaboration with Lajerrio Jewelry, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But thank you to Lajerrio Jewelry for sending me this little box, and it came with a ring and like an anklet. They have a whole bunch of rings and anklets and promise, just a whole bunch of things that if you guys just want to feel pampered.
You don't need a man to buy you this stuff.
Exactly.
Buy it for yourself.
What? I actually got this adorable ring. I'll actually put it up for you guys. It's kind of big because I didn't know my ring size. So, but you know, it's kind of cute. It's cute. It's a cutie. So thank you to Lajerrio Jewelry for sending me these things. I love you guys so much. Thank you. And yes, without further ado, let's just get on with the video. So the first thing that I'm going to be using is the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. It's like $1. It's a really good eyebrow pencil. Yeah.
My eyebrow pencils are really good.
Tyra loves her eyebrow pencil. Excuse me, one moment.
We're gonna get that. This is from Sally's. Let's start.
So yeah, we're just gonna be doing eyebrows right now. So.
Yeah.
So next I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Oil, and yeah, I haven't really used it that much because you're only supposed to use like 2 to 3 drops, so I'm going to do that. Prime my face, and then I'm just going to apply the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer, and I'm the color 420, so place it.
Push it like we on an incline, push it like a door, and then we walking inside. So just did my eyebrows. Doesn't look like much, but you know, just wait until I put the concealer on. It's gonna look a little better. I'm going to prime my face with this e.l.f. primer that Chloe actually gave me, because I don't really know makeup like that, so Chloe has been putting me on to things, and she gave me this one.
So next I'm going to be concealing, and I think I'm just going to be using just Fenty today because I think that they really complement each other. So I'm going to be using the concealer, and I'm in the color Suede, and I like to warm this up on my hands first because Rihanna did it. So I'm going to do it. When you warm it up on your hand, it works way better.
I'm going to wet this more.
Yeah. And it blends way better, so I'm going to be just concealing my eyes. When you're applying concealer, I think it's great to wait a little bit before you blend it in, because I feel like it just like sets in your skin. I actually got this tip from Jackie Aina, but like I've been doing this before, but like Jackie Aina really, she just helps with everything. She helps with like.
You could have told me that like 5 minutes ago. But now I'm gonna let this sit for my mustache.
I'm going to be setting my under eyes with the translucent, I don't know why I can't pronounce translucent medium deep setting powder. So yeah, and then I'm going to move on to my eyeshadow because I'm not really doing that much for the eyeshadow. I was going to do it first, but like I'm really not doing that much, so it's just going to, yeah, I won't have that much fallout. And don't worry, I will be actually vlogging this time at college, doing dorm stuff, shopping. I will be doing all of that back to school videos. Don't worry, because last year I said I was, but then like, you know, I just needed to, I don't know, I need a break because school was just killing me.
This time we're gonna try like not to procrastinate, so that we actually have time to do things we love and like film on our channel and like help her film on her channel and just do stuff like that, because
Literally.
Like, I don't need to get 100 on everything. Nobody cares about that. It is college.
She's get degrees.
C pluses.
C pluses get degrees.
C pluses. We're gonna get them C pluses.
Nice.
For a good time.
I will also link our channel down below so you guys can subscribe because we're going to be vlogging Curlfest and yes. I am so excited. So get ready for videos. Make sure to subscribe. As I said, I'll just leave it in the description. And we'll put our links as well, Instagram, all that jazz. Okay,
so right now I'm going to be using the True Match Lumi Glotion. It just like makes you glow. I feel like it makes you glow. Does it really? I don't know, but
no, it does.
It does.
It does. And I'm gonna be doing my eyeshadow, so I'm gonna be using the Cute AF palette. I think I showed you guys before, but I'm gonna be using this light brown shade. You guys probably cannot even see it, but I'm gonna be using a light brown shade and putting that in my crease. I'm gonna be doing something very, very natural, nothing crazy, because it's like summertime, you know. Curlfest is very like black girl magic, you know. It gives off a very like. Yes. Just black girl magic-esque, and I just don't want to be too overdone. I want to be natural. Exactly. I want to be like looking, you know, just I don't know, kissed by the sun. So I'm just gonna be doing a little bit of eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to be taking the Benefit Roller Lash. I love this mascara. I think this is like my favorite mascara because my eyelashes grow like this. I wish they grow like this, but they grow like this. So this like curls them a little bit. Oh, yeah. So yeah, like my eyelashes just look non-existent because they don't grow up. Okay, so next I'm going to be highlighting, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of highlighter. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in Cinnamon, and I really like this highlighter because it's like a rose gold, and I just feel like rose gold highlighters look way better like on people of color, and like this stuff is good. So yes. Now
I think I'm just going to put the concealer around my brows and contour. I also have this blush. After that Rihanna video, that tutorial she did, I saw that she used blush. And at first I was like, wow, black people use brush, like
brush.
Blush. I got this Cloud Paint in the color Haze. So I've been liking that. So I'm going to put that on as well. So the last thing that I'm going to be using is the Glossier lip gloss, and yeah, I love this lip gloss. I think it's one of my favorite lip glosses ever. I think it's just so pretty and just it stays on so long, and I haven't found a lip gloss that really like sticks, you know what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna put that on my lips and I think we're gonna be done. I think I'm done. I'm gonna do my hair, you know, take out these twists. Get ready. Sturdy. You finished too? Yeah. Hey, what? So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with us. If you guys want more videos like this, when Tyra is in our videos, like and comment down below. Leave a comment down below and we'll do more videos together. But yeah, we have a whole channel together, so I will again link it in the description. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And give this video a like if you enjoyed it, if you laughed, if you cried, if you did, I don't know, if you did everything, just leave a like. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.